In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Notion template of your dreams, my Notion template secrets. If you're someone who loves organization but also craves a bit of creativity, you've landed in the right place. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool, allowing you to streamline your tasks, ideas, and goals all in one place. Today, we'll be diving deep into the secrets of making your own perfect Notion template. Let's begin by approaching your Notion template with intention. It's important to have a clear purpose in mind before you start building. Think about what exactly you want to achieve with your template. Are you setting up a personal planner, managing projects, or maybe creating a collaborative workspace for your team? Defining this upfront will guide every decision you make as you set up your template. Once you've established your purpose, it's time to choose your core structure. Notion offers a variety of blocks, such as pages, databases, and lists, to support your design. Consider what type of structure best suits your need. For example, using a database is great for tracking tasks or storing information. You'll want to make sure that whatever structure you choose flows intuitively with how you plan to use it. Now let's add some personality. One of the joys of building your own template is customizing it to fit your aesthetic. You can personalize your Notion pages by playing around with themes, adding images, and using various colored text blocks. This not only makes your template visually appealing, but also enhances your motivation to use it. Remember, it's your space, so let your creativity shine through. Making your template smart is our next step. Notion allows you to implement various levels of automation and formulas to make your template dynamic. Simple formulas can calculate dates, track progress, or even set reminders. If there's a repetitive task you often do manually, there's likely a way to automate it within Notion. While creativity and smart features are exciting, it's important to keep things simple. A cluttered template can easily become overwhelming and counterproductive. Focus on incorporating only what's necessary to meet your intentions. Remove any extraneous details that don't serve a clear purpose. This keeps your workspace clean and functional. Once you've integrated all these components, it's time to test and refine your template. Use it for a few days or weeks to see how it holds up with your workflow. You'll likely discover elements that either enhance your productivity or need adjusting. Consider it a living document that evolves with your needs. Finally, a bonus tip: share your creation. Notion templates are a fantastic resource for others, especially if you've developed something unique or particularly effective. Sharing it in forums, groups, or the Notion community can provide valuable feedback and help others. And there you have it. Your dream Notion template is just a few thoughtful steps away. You can also explore the marketplace for inspiration or download free templates to jumpstart your creative process. Happy Notioning!